This is a what's in the box video for Targi, a two-player game set in, I guess, the desert trade route area. Let's take a look and see what's inside. So we have the instructions here. Let's see here. It looks pretty, I guess, fairly simple. Just a couple pages. Some punch boards with, let's see here, different tokens. So I haven't played Targi yet, but looks like some standard like money and some other stuff. Some, I guess, custom or semi-custom meeples with some cylinders and a deck of cards. I'm not going to open here, but this is, obviously where the brunt of the game is played. So there you have it. Oh, and a nice insert, which is kind of nice in a two-player game, especially when just for storage. It looks like there might even be room for an expansion. I don't know if they put out one yet for this or not. So there you have it. That is what's in the box for Targi. If you enjoyed this video, please take a look at our other videos and please subscribe.